later. So today we're going to be doing a video on how to safely maintain your reusable faux locks, as well as how to safely remove them to make sure that they're still able to be used for a second, a third or fourth installation. So stay tuned as I take you through the various steps. It's the nature of faux locks to expand and unravel and cause many hair build-up on the locks. Those are the little pieces of hair that forms hair bubbles on the locks, which do not always look neat and need to be trimmed off. The first step is to remove any parts of the locks back to the roots, as it always moves upwards as the lock expands. Once the lock has been moved to its original position, you may take a pair of scissors and carefully trim off the excess hair on the lock. Make sure not to cut into the actual lock. I will now do a couple more locks just to demonstrate and show you how it's done, so that you don't in any way cut the lock and then it goes loose in any way. As you can see, the specific lock has unraveled and the braids underneath are now visible. Should this happen, simply move the lock back to its roots, and if it does not completely cover the braid underneath, simply take your excess hair from your wrapping pack and cover it up. You do not need to remove the entire lock. Please be careful when burning the lock after the patch up, so you do not burn the client's hair. You may also seal the lock naturally should you not be comfortable burning the lock, to avoid any accidents with burning the client's hair, etc. Now that you have repaired the lock, I'm now going to show you how to remove this reusable lock and reinstall it, to prove that it can be reused and the removal process is safe and does not damage the client's hair or the reusable lock. The first step is to separate the wrapping hair from the underneath hair and then cut the wrapping hair off to make sure that it's easier to slide it off underneath the braid. Once you have located the wrapping hair, simply remove it from the braid. This can also be done clockwise or anti-clockwise. It just depends on how you cut the wrapping hair from the beginning. You may also use scissors to make the process faster. Just be careful not to cut the reusable lock or the client's hair. The fact that we used a different color of the wrapping hair also makes it easier to remove the lock, and you do not need to cut the reusable lock because it's a different color from the wrapping hair. Now that all of the wrapping hair has been removed from the lock, simply separate the client's hair from the hoop of the reusable lock. It's just like unbraiding a normal braid, basically. As you can see, the reusable lock is still intact and ready to be reused whenever you would like to. I'm now going to remove the braid and reinstall the lock using the reusable lock that I just removed from the client's head. I'm now going to install the lock as per the normal reusable faux lock installation method, so just stay tuned and see how I put it right back. As you can see, the lock looks brand new and completely reusable. Thank you so much for watching and keep the orders coming. Lord, cheers.